Sounding three-letter words. Hello, young geniuses! Welcome to Reading First Words. Today, we're going to learn 5 fun words that end with ap. Let's sound them out together. Our first word is cap. That spells C-A-P. Let's sound it out. Cap. A cap is something you wear on your head. Next, we have map. That spells M-A-P. Let's sound it out. Map. A map helps us find our way when we travel. Now here's tap. That spells T-A-P. Let's sound it out. Tap. A tap is what we use to get water, like when we turn the tap on to fill a glass of water. Next up is nap. That spells N-A-P. Let's sound it out. Nap. A nap is a short sleep we take when we're tired. And finally, we have gap. That spells G-A-P. Let's sound it out. Gap. A gap is a space between two things, like a tooth gap, which is the gap between two teeth. Great work, young geniuses! We've learned 5 new words that end with ap. Keep practicing, and we'll see you next time on Reading First Words. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun reading lessons. Stay awesome, young geniuses!